Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, we need to go to our settings. Go to your settings and you have to select the general management. Click on this general management and go to the reset option. This one. Okay, and since we want to factory reset, we can select the factory data reset. Tap on this option and you have to scroll down until you find the reset button. And if you want to reset your phone, you just need to click on this reset button and your phone will be resetted automatically and it will be back to its default state. It means that all your data will be deleted. Alright guys, and that's all the way to factory reset Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.